Hey YouTubers, I came up with a little trick the other day for assembling my master link on my dirt bike on my extremely old and crappy chain, which I'd like to share with you to make it easier for you to assemble it. This particular chain is a press fit and I didn't have any special press tools, so um, yeah, I'll show you what I did to get around that. Alright, so first assemble your master link with the O-rings on the back. Put it in, having it on the sprocket helps a bit. Then put your other O-rings on the other side. Now put your other side plate onto it. And then you'll want to get a pair of pliers or vice grips and just get it on as best you can, like that, so that the pins are sticking out. Then grab yourself an old link. So this is the perfect spacing to be able to press it in with whatever you've got, like a G-clamp or whatever. So there, I'm just pulling it up as tight as I can, struggling to record it at the same time. But that basically presses the side plate on perfectly, ready for the snap ring. So you always want to work out which way the chain goes and have the solid part of the clip facing towards the rotation direction, if that makes sense. Then just basically do it up, clip it on. And then I'll normally just give it a bit of a tap on the back as well to make sure that it's fully seated at the front. That's it. Easy press tool for free.